the famous pork recipe that went viral with millions of views. Here we have 1 kilo of pork, and I'll fill it with ice. I'll place the meat in a bowl, add water, and let it sit for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, in a pan, I'll add 1 sliced onion, 1 chopped red bell pepper, 250 grams of sliced champignon mushrooms, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, 200 grams of cream cheese, and mix everything well. Now I remove the meat from the water and season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, spreading everything well. I'll place the meat over 200 grams of sliced bacon and fill it with the mixture we prepared. Then I'll add 150 grams of sliced pickles over the filling. For a special touch, I add 100 grams of grated mozzarella. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Melissa Turner from Phoenix, Arizona. I'm so glad you're enjoying the recipes. Then I wrap the meat in the bacon and place it in a baking dish. In a bowl, I'll mix 1 kilo of chopped potatoes, 2 sliced carrots, 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and toss well. I transfer the vegetables to the baking dish. Then we bake everything at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. In another bowl, I mix 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of apple vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of honey. We brush this sauce over the pork and bake for another 15 minutes. Tell me how you cook pork at home. I'd love to know your recipe. Cook pork like this next time, and you'll never want it any other way. I'm sure your whole family will love it. It turns out juicy and delicious.